Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks there representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So each one of those, like I said, not 1 day, each are 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that. We're talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that occurred since the last time I did a video analysis on it was the price is now back up above that resistance area right there at 7,000. It had fallen below there and that had turned into an area of resistance, but like I said, since the last update I did, the price is now up above it. So that leads into the first update that needs to be done, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, which leads to the number one question to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one, nothing complicated. Just where's the price at relative to 7,000? As long as you're answering that question that the price is still up above 7,000, that implies that this current breakout that's underway is still going through some healthy consolidation. Now, sure, I mean, even if the price were to come down here, so maybe you're watching it and it's right at 7,000, but I mean, stop and think about what that would still be implying. That would still be implying that there's a set of lows there, and then you have these bases down there, and if you picture those as stair steps, well, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So as long as the price is anywhere up above 7,000, then in my opinion at least, as far as I'm concerned, that implies that the current breakout that's underway is still completely healthy. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 7,000, at that point, does that mean the entire chart's epically destroyed? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that as far as the breakout, that has occurred right here, that was pretty much just a fake breakout because now the price would be, right back to where it was. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is actually down below the 66.30 mark, which is that green line down there. So in other words, you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, not only is the price down below 7,000, but now it's down below 66.30. That would just imply a total train wreck of a day. But I'm highly doubtful that you're going to be answering the question that the price is down below 66.30. But those are definitely going to be the key levels of support. If you are saying that the price is above 7,000, the next question just becomes, well, how far up above it? And the further away the price is from 7,000, the better. So gut instincts, common sense will take you far in that regard. I mean, if you're answering the question and the price is still just right here, I mean, don't get me wrong, that's a good situation. But if you're answering the question that the price is way up there, that's just that much better of a situation. So all in all, nice movement, nice breakout of 7,000. Now it's just a question of can the price stay above there? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.